In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from QuickBooks to Zoho Books using our full 2025 guide. This process might seem daunting, but by following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to transition smoothly. First, you'll want to open your QuickBooks account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your account settings. Once there, look at the top right of the page and click on the settings icon. This is your gateway to exporting the data you'll need for the migration. Once within the settings menu, locate and select the option labeled Export Data. This is an essential step as we'll be transferring this data over to Zoho Books. When you click on Export Data, a dialog box will appear. You're going to want to click on Export to Excel. Save this file in a known location on your computer. This Excel file contains all the critical data that will import into Zoho Books shortly. Now that you've got your data, let's switch gears and head over to Zoho Books. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section. You can find this in your sidebar menu or homepage of Zoho Books. Here you'll delve into the Customers tab. This is where you'll be importing the customer data you exported from QuickBooks. Along the top right of the Customers page, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. Click here. This opens up a drop-down where you will select the option Import. This is the point where your transition begins to take shape. Next, in the Import menu, you'll see Import Customer. Click this to start the process of bringing your customer data into Zoho Books. Following this, a page will appear directing you to continue, so go ahead and click on Continue. Have your Excel file that you exported from QuickBooks ready on your computer as you'll need it for the upcoming step. On this new page, search for and click the button labeled Choose File. From there, locate the Excel file you saved earlier and upload it to Zoho Books. Ensure that you are selecting the correct file format, which should be Excel. Once you've uploaded it, you'll be prompted to click Next. This will guide you to the mapping process where Zoho Books aligns your Excel fields with the appropriate Zoho databases. After making your necessary selections, you'll want to click on Save these selections to confirm that the data is mapped correctly. Once satisfied, proceed by clicking Next once again. This final step will confirm your actions and complete the import process. By following these steps, you've successfully migrated your data from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. If you encounter any issues or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out in the comments below. I hope this guide has made your transition seamless and stress-free, allowing you to dive into the efficient and comprehensive world of Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.